if you look at the CEOs of the DRAM industry, the number one DRAM in the world was DDR memory for CPUs in data centers. About 3 years ago, I was able to convince several of the CEOs that even though at the time HBM memory was used quite scarcely, and barely by supercomputers, that this was going to be a mainstream memory for data centers in the future. And at first it sounded ridiculous, but several of the CEOs believed me and decided to invest in building HBM memories. Another memory was rather odd to put into a data center is the low power memories that we use for cell phones. And we wanted them to adapt them for supercomputers in the data center. And they go, cell phone memory for supercomputers? And I explained to them why. Well, look at these two memories, LPDDR5, HBM4. The volumes are so incredible. All three of them had record years in history, and these are 45-year companies. And so, that's part of my job is to inform and shape, inspire,
So you're not just manifesting the future and maybe inspiring NVIDIA, the different engineers of the company. You're manifesting the supply chain of the future.